man. So we're starting our job on this Mercedes Benz right here, man. I don't even know what this version is, but
Thursday, look at Thursday, ain't even Thursday, I'm rocking her mix.
okay, so man, let's show y'all engines. It's a clean engine, honestly. It looks like it's barely been used. Pretty big battery, but let me give you the background of this car. So obviously we got a flat tire here. I'm gonna see what I could do as far as putting air in that. That might just be a plug. And this car was abandoned by the owner and given to somebody else because they apparently put the wrong fuel in this car. This is what they told me. So my main goal is to empty out the fuel. All right. Main goal is to empty out the fuel and then put new fuel in it with a fuel injection cleaner and try to start this bad boy up. And this is our goal right now. So this is the fuel line. I'm gonna disconnect this right into the engine, disconnect that, and let the old gasoline come out. That's our first goal. All right, now, as you can see, I'm taking off this this line. The fuel is already coming out. All right. So we want that fuel to drain out onto the floor. See, it's coming out. We want that to drain out. That's bad gasoline. We want that to drain out, even though that's a bad place for it to drain out too. So I'm gonna try to get something to push it away. Okay, so we're getting somewhere, guys. So I told you I got the stuff in the back leaking out of the engine, and then I just turned it a little bit, and this is what we get in the bottom. So I'm not sure if that's all that was left in the tank. I'm not sure. Let me find out. We got all the lights on here. The tank, it looks empty, yeah. So I'm hoping that's it. I don't really want to turn it over because you can't. There's no gas going in it. But I'll try one time. Okay, good. That was good. Ooh, okay, there you go. Kicked it over a little bit, and look at this. This doesn't look good, guys. It doesn't look healthy. I don't know what this is really. It's supposed to be gas, but I don't know. So let's empty that out and do it a couple of times, try to empty out this gas. Yeah, so this is gonna take a little while, guys, because what I just did was I cranked it up 2 more times, and this is how much oil is coming out, or gasoline is coming out. So I have to do this a couple more times to clear it. Once I see this is empty, then I'll be good to go. My only issue is cranking the engine. I don't really want to crank the engine. I guess the easiest way to do it would be to drop the tank and clean it from there. But I already stopped the oil from the engine oil, fuel from going in there. So I don't know. I'm thinking of putting starter fluid so they crank up, keep it on, but it's not going to stay on with no gas. So it's kind of tough right now. Okay guys, good news. So the truck is on. I cleared out all the gas. Took a while, but it's on, man. It's definitely on. Now we're getting the check engine light and all the lights that are supposed to be on this car. I'm gonna let it warm up. You know, it's low on gas, but I cleared it out. Remember, I threw a Lucas fuel injection cleaner in the tank on the bottom, drained it as much as I can, and it's on. So we're gonna let it run for a little bit, turn it back off, fill it up with as much gas as I could, and then drive it to the gas station, the flat fix, and then bring it back. But it took a while to get on. I wish I would have recorded it, but I didn't know. I was doing it for a bunch of times, and basically I turned it on. The car was trying to rev up. It revved up 1, 2, and then drained out. So what I did was I got back. I put more gasoline in. I drained it from the front again, just to push it out, clear it as much as I can. I revved it up again, and finally, after 3 or 4 times, the car's running. First time since I've been working on it, about a month, and it's been sitting here for, I believe, 6 months or more. This is the first time it's on since that time. All right, and I guess that was definitely the problem. Was the bad gas? Is the reason why I didn't want to rev up. So we're gonna burn all that out right now and do the best cleaning as possible. What I do recommend on this car now that this has happened is do a seafoam, which is what I might go and do, and we'll go from there. But it's on, man. Check engine light came up immediately. Could be a spark plug, could be anything. We'll check that out later on. The main goal was getting the car on and making sure that it could hold the charge and things like that. So that's what we're gonna test right now. Hope the battery's not dead, but from the knowledge that I know, more than likely it is gonna be finished. And we're gonna find out when we come back if that's the case. All say it is good, I'm pretty sure. I could check it, do an alternator test real quick, take out one of the cables, see if it turns off, but that's not my concern right now. We're just gonna burn this old gas out. Burning all that out. And you know, but yeah, I mean, I'm happy I got it on, guys. So Mercedes Benz finished. We just drained all the old gas. And what I did notice also here has a little drain plug right here for the gas. I just feel like that's very dangerous. All the gas spraying out this way, you know, things could combust. So I prefer to take it out from the back, which is what I did. I drained it down on the floor. You might see a lot of the gas on the floor. Look, so crazy fire hazard at the moment. But I'm trying to be as safe as possible, and that's why I'm trying to burn out the old one, move the car. We got to fix this flat, take it to the flat fix, and go from there. So, but freezing. Today is the 23rd, January 23rd, 24th, 2021. Freezing. Got 2 sweaters on. Got a little dirty, but I'm happy that the car is actually on. You know, when you actually come to cars, you just hope that it's not a problem as far as being junked and things like that. And, you know, fortunately it's not. This car is good to go, good to sell. Obviously I recommend a full tune-up and things like that, but we'll work on that as we go. I don't know, I might just jump in the Benz for a little while, you know. Might just jump in the Benzo, but let's see. But thanks for watching, man. Again, do it yourself. Get out there. You work hard to get things done. You use your knowledge, and you'll make it work. Yeah, man, thanks for watching. So look, man, this car been sitting here for so long. So long, but you know, I got it out of here, man. That's the most important thing. Get this job's done. Guys, so as we come to the conclusion of the video, I know our job is not done because of these damn lights right here. We have a check engine light. Got cylinder 3 misfire. You can feel it. Already pressing the gas, right? It also has either some type of oil leak or I mean, it doesn't make sense that the oil's low and there's no leak unless they just drove the car to the end of time last time. But it needs an oil change for sure. And I recommend air filters and everything else like that. So we're getting somewhere. Definitely getting somewhere. And like I said, it probably won't be the last time we in this car. But my job here is done. Take my truck back, park this one right here, and call it a day, man. Call it a day. It was definitely fun. I learned a lot on this one. And this car needs a lot of cosmetic work. But, you know, 03, it was an 03 Mercedes-Benz ML350, man. Not bad at all. Not bad at all.